Hey everybody, it's your girl, Redbone. If you don't know, Jade, Radford, whatever. My rap name is Redbone. I'm just chilling in the bed. I ain't got out of bed, you know what I'm saying? Just chilling today. As you can see, I look like crap. You know what I'm saying? Oh well. I just been sitting here and I started thinking, like, I've been saying a lot of stuff. I've been talking a good game, you feel me? But I ain't never showed y'all nothing, and it's starting to get to me. I meant to put a whole lot of stuff up, but I just haven't yet. And I'm like, nah, just thinking now I'm just in the bed, you know what I'm saying? I got a camera, on my phone, and I got a, a video recording thing on my phone. So you know what? I'm just gonna stop putting it off. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all know what I'm really working with, because I feel like I'm just talking, and that's not something I like to do. You feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do a song that I wrote, a rap, whatever, but it's a full song. 2 verses, that's long as hell, and it's got its own hook, so you know what I'm saying. But I'm gonna put the camera off of me, you know what I'm saying, because I'm not sure what you're looking at, I just want you to hear me, alright? So I'm gonna take the camera off of me, but I'm finna do the rap right now. So just stay here. You know what I'm saying? Check me out, see what I'm working with. Leave a comment on my Facebook when I post it or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Just tell me if you like it. Tell me if you don't like it. Tell me why you like it, why you didn't like it, you know what I'm saying? Alright? Okay. Okay. It's called What Goes Around. Alright. If you ever kill me, just count your curses, cause I'm blessing y'all niggas in these lines of verses. They gon' forget who filled their purses when a change come through when they haven't earned it. Promises made, but they don't deserve it. My record sealed and my will is worth this. I can't explain, they misinterpret. This devil's game just dealing perfect. Broken laws, but you pleading out for. You got the game, but you still in my board. Can't admit when you wrong for waiting, but quick to copy your partner's encore. Bust a nigga for making it. You been there before and you hated it. You ain't ashamed of that petty shit. Your name stays in irrelevance. Niggas come and they turn around. Shit get real in this side of town. If you broken out or you need a hit, then a real nigga gon' buy you pound. But these new niggas got it twisted, cause I held down to some bullshit. My brother told me if they don't pay to get sex changed by bullet. They used to look at me sideways like I was just another. Fuck they telling you about this shit. It's more than guns and colors, nigga. Left out with a sack and a reputation with them runners. Passed out down in the cliff and woke up facing future brothers. Maybe young if you still in years, way past that frame of mind. Quick go around this bitch when he living like they made to die. My eyes dry, my soul cries. It's high time they realize they never scared of when the fear comes and you wet the bed. I ain't surprised. Built to last through every storm. Roots deep and these bases strong. Can't deny your niggas right to bust a few if they coming wrong. Silence hurts worse than the noise, cause it's seen enough to feel the calm. When it's thundering and we bustin' shit, can't claim they ain't pre-warned. Mama said if you big enough to do it, then hold your shit in your own decisions. Ain't been the one to not take the credit when shit go down, but my own commitment. These eyes is bright, this smoke stick, my eyes closed, mine open, and I can't say I don't love the life, cause I live for all these moments. Saying grace before breaking buried, born heaven, still now hell-bent. His blood is clean and my blood is team. If it pay off, then we sellin'. Time keeps these streets of pieces, cause they're breaking down these second. As I watch you pass right by my eyes, I can't help but look and accept it. What is it? What will it take to show you life ain't served to you and my family? Half of we started with, we stay deep and still fireproof. Can't expect a break for hating when it comes around. We're right there, agreed. Never rude, I say hello, then it's goodbye when they 6 feet. No pity taking. Don't need you scared, but we told you from the jump off. Livers, killers, running millions, ain't nothing we can't dust off. And if I die with no last word, they know the moment never lasts. Live fast, die hard, ain't long till I come back. My, what to do? I'm in a hula hoop. Round and round I go and never getting where I'm moving to. Mercy me, my feet walk deep and carry me on. But I can't tell where I'm going, I just know that I'm gone. My, what to do? I'm in a hula hoop. Round and round I go and never getting where I'm moving to. Mercy me, my feet walk deep and carry me on. But I can't tell where I'm going, I just know that I'm gone. Karma is a classic, bitch. You fuck with her and pay your dues. Niggas wishing game was fair and every player hates to lose. You walk the stone, sleep and dream. You thought you never see these streets. You open up your eyes and see that's all that's underneath your feet. Times is hard and we serving it. Dirty jobs start paying up. Careful not to let numbers slip, cause you fuck around, you gon' drain your luck. Kai said if I ain't the best and I'm better dead than dragging down. Step up to the place they pick, go get to picking your casket out. Never gonna be good enough, but push until I pass out. My niggas say I'm full of shit, so I just sit my ass down. Squat on one of these cocky hoes and get to pissing this cash out. Get your weed, roll sweet, take a kid and pass it down. They say I'm on and I'm killing these. When he on the mic, I'm catching these. I'm splitting all these foes with these. My flow cold, I don't overfreeze. Ain't slipping, please, it's gonna spare your knees. Sweet cap and cash with no sympathy. If I'm just a dark entity, I get 20 foes. I'm up into lead. Cash fast, cruise slow, eyes low and they worrying. Mindset on being the best. They killing shit, then I'm murdering. And until my back hit 6 feet when I'm covered up in that dirt again. Stay on ground like I can't get off and watch hoes go scurrying. Propane in my shot glass. Gassed up but I don't pass. Stay true to my work class. My work always on task. If you really know, then don't ask. They slow to learn and get broke fast. Can't get me on no drum line, cause I'm steady beating on your ass. 5 for 5, nigga, all on this side. Never know what comes next. This that shit that get niggas leaning on top stair. They front steps. Demolition on wreck. Ain't even ready your own self. These cards I'm dealt. Shuffle back. Deal them out they own deck. 4 walls and a white sky. Night becomes my daylight. Fuck life in this ground beneath me. I print the lines of this playwright. Can't get up if you looking down, cause everybody waiting for one night. Day to day spent drifting out till I realize that I'm on flight. These words cold. They ain't accustomed to the fireplace for my kind of hustling. Mind of mine just took to running, but fuck it, cause it's good for nothing. Red day, I don't wake up. Think, damn, how did I make it? Hold on to life like somebody's gonna take it. But I'm not sad, not hurt, never gonna be pinned down. My niggas taught me ground level is equal to a tap out. I'm feeling me, killing beats. It's my time, it's my round. And best believe I won't stop till a nigga hit that knockout. My, what to do? I'm in a hula hoop. Round and round I go and never getting where I'm moving to. Mercy me, my feet walk deep and carry me on. But I can't tell where I'm going, I just know that I'm gone. My, what to do? I'm in a hula hoop. Round and round I go, but never getting where I'm moving to. Mercy me, my feet walk deep and carry me on. I can't tell where I'm going, I just know that I'm gone. Alright. I think I messed up about 2-3 times, you know what I'm saying? This is my first video. Please don't hold it against me, you know what I'm saying? But do not be scared to critique me, you know what I'm saying? I'm open for anything, you know what I'm saying? I'm new talent, and talent can always get better, you know what I'm saying? So if you see this and you like this, tell me, please. I want to know how many people like my shit. Tell me what you like about it. I'm being so serious. I need all the input I can get, you know what I'm saying? If you know somebody, you know what I'm saying, that does shit like this, you know anybody that would like this, if you know somebody that you think would like this, show it to them, you know what I'm saying? If you know somebody that knows somebody, you know what I'm saying? I'm new talent. Just, I'm flying out there with everybody else, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't ashamed to ask for help, you know what I'm saying? I can't do it on my own, you know? So if you see this, you know what I'm saying, and you think you see you know somebody that can help me out, or you know something, you know, a place I can go to, if you have any suggestions for me, I'm completely open for any and all of it. Alright? Thank you for watching this. It's so long and a bitch. But thank you. I appreciate it, for real. Alright, I'm out.